This is the homework video for Tuesday, 2/7/16. Remember to listen 2/7/17. Remember to listen for the secret messages so you can get full credit for doing your homework. I hope you gave it a try on your own because copying doesn't make you smarter. So they show me this table, which I didn't really understand. I'm going to have to ask somebody about this, of mass in kilograms and fuel consumption in miles per gallon. So like cars with different masses and how much fuel they burn. Consumption means burning or using of fuel. And the first question says, does fuel consumption increase or decrease with mass? So I was looking at some of the higher masses, like the highest one is 2,306 kilograms, and then this is kind of high too, 2,100, and then the lowest mass is the 880, and I noticed that the one with the lowest mass had the highest fuel consumption, and then the one with the most mass had the lowest fuel consumption. So that means that as mass increases, fuel consumption decreases, which I don't really understand that, so maybe I don't really have a very good definition of mass. I would have guessed that it would have been the opposite way. On the second question it says, is fuel consumption a function of mass? And I have to explain how I know. Well, fuel consumption is a function of mass because, as we were looking at on the first problem, when the mass increases, the fuel consumption decreases, but also as mass decreases, the fuel consumption increases. So that means that fuel consumption is dependent on mass. And this last question is asking me if mass is a function of fuel consumption. And no, because how could fuel consumption or burning or using of fuel possibly increase or decrease mass? And then the secret message for tonight is that Mrs. Stefan needs to figure out why when mass is increased, fuel consumption is decreased. I'm going to have to find that out. So I want you to write down that Mrs. Stefan needs to try and understand why that works, because I'm kind of surprised by it. That's it for the homework video, less than 3 minutes. Have a great night, guys.